just gonna walk around the park here and look at the cool stuff. We've got an 81-degree day coming today, so everyone's going to be outside, and it's Saturday. So welcome to Washington. Yeah. Those are two cute little cocker spaniels over there. They always bark at me. They'll come and sniff my shoes usually, and then run off and get very scared again. But they're really cute. So soft. So I'm not the only one out here. Lots of people are going for bike rides and for other stuff on here. Hi everybody, I'm out here walking around. So what I really like to do is just kind of walk around and film whatever comes my way. And, enjoy the birds and the grass and the cute little flowers. And look at these little flowers here. These little flowers. Perfection. And they're super little. Show my fingers here. Super little. Very beautiful though. Don't have to be the monster redwood tree to be beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Crow, or whoever left this. I'm just continuing my walk. So the topic on Facebook recently has been about the hackers that send, the viruses out. Hey, just click on this link, and everybody have a bad day. And I was thinking, man, how bored would I have to be to try to go out of my way to make sure someone else had a terrible day, or just got confused, mystified by something mundane that really doesn't matter in the first place. It's like send out a bunch of emails that say, or texts or messages and links, and that, hey, someone just died and you'll want to know about this. And of course everyone's like, oh, I'll click on it. And luckily they want me to redo my password, which I don't remember, and I would have to go figure that all out. And so that was not what I wanted to do when it tried to make me do that. So I decided to contact my said friend without any names, because privacy issues here, probably, just in case. Guy from Napa, I'll just say that, in the Air Force guy from Napa. So anyways, thank you for telling me it was just a scam. And to all the turdly hackers out there, well, thanks for bringing us together unknowingly and unwittingly. In many ways, probably, because people band together in different forms. And okay, well, here we are at the dog park in a couple, and this really cute fluffy dog's gonna go in, and the little dog came over. Oh, he's gonna go pee first, but he goes and runs to the little dog. Oh, he didn't. Oh, he's not going to run to the little dog. Thought for sure he would, but that looks like a little corgi over there. Corgis are cute. Aw, drinking out of the water bottle. Somebody's got some hammering going on. But a very peaceful little trail to hike on around here. There. Oh, guy up on his own roof. Oh my goodness. Guy on a roof. See, that's the kind of stuff you'll see on a Saturday morning here in Washington. Get to the other side. Here we have fantastic flowers. These are part of the, well, I'm not sure what it is, but they're right next to the blackberry bushes, and they're flowering. Blackberries. Here, what's his name?
Also.
What is it?
Also.
Oh, so.
Also. Means girl in Spanish.
Oh, sorry. Well, I should have just looked right. Oh, that's okay. He's very sweet. We'll have a good day. Thank you. Well, thank you for the kisses almost in the face. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, I got almost kissed in the face by that big, cute, adorable Rottweiler. Oh boy, he was cute. Looked like my old doggy Gunner that I used to have. Except Gunner didn't have a tail. But a big fat head like that. Oh man, love those fat heads. Got some really big logs here. Really big logs. Oh, so I got to meet the cute dog, and now we're going to walk over towards the lake and see what I can find over there at the lake. It'll be pretty nice. I'll bet there's some people hanging out. Usually there's already kids running and jumping into the water. Since it's going to be 82 today. 81 or 82, I'm not sure. So this is kind of a crazy blind corner right here that I have to not get run over at. And there's cars. So we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, I gotta make sure there's no one coming, so I cross over to, oh, there is a car. But I will cross to, oh, he's going slow enough. Do. To the sidewalk we go. Okay, so this is traffic calming devices ahead. So I've never heard of that until I've seen this sign recently. I don't know what the heck it is about, but if anybody knows, then let me know. Well, actually, I think I've experienced it when there's more, when there's been more traffic and businesses and things. My headphones, my Pandora will cut out, and my headphones will just turn off or something, and it's pretty annoying. But I'm sure they have to do that when everybody gets all bunched together like that. I mean, maybe. It's not my job to know. So anyways, here we go. So the lake I'm going to is right down there, and I have to go around this big circle to get there. To the right there on the road, and then there's a little pathway down. I'll get there. So they've got a sign here too, so possibly their internet doesn't work as good as where I live. Well, I like how this is repurposed. It's for a reflector now instead of a mailbox for newspapers. You know, the Herald and the Enterprise. Good job. My purse. This is my purse hanging down. Beautiful pokey leaves here. Super pokey. Look really cool. Alright, just gonna try not to trip on any roots or other stuff since there's no sidewalks right here. And we got the kid here mowing the lawn, and the dad is of course paying attention to make sure that he does a good job. Oh, and there's mom too. Maybe that's grandma and grandpa. I'm not sure, and I don't want to say cause any offense. Morning.
I'm hoping I don't have to mow lawn again.
He's doing a pretty good job.
That's what I need.
Oh, well.
Next year.
Well, very good.
Her niece
Oh,
is the closest thing we had for a daughter. We had 3 boys.
oh,
But
okay.
we had her when she was about 18 months old. She lived with us about until she was 16. Basically, lived with us.
Wow.
And then they'd all get dropped off here.
Well, that's wonderful. Some of us don't have homes, and we need adoptive parents, whether they really do it or not. That's great. Oh, In-N-Out Burger.
But she loved it, and we would go down fishing down the College River, go to Eastern Washington, and everything. She'd go everywhere.
Wow. Well, your yard is
Not
beautiful.
once did I ever hear not once did she ever say she was bored. Not once.
Well,
Now
good.
that's
See, that's how it should be.
We took another niece with her, and they got down to college. As soon as we got to the trailer park, she goes, "I'm bored." I said, "That's right, so much." We've never heard that out of niece.
Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing. Have a wonderful day.
We're going to try.
Wonderful
Now,
day.
Tom, this is Donna. We've been
Oh,
here.
I have a sister named Donna. Nice to meet you. I'm Annette.
Okay,
Yes, I live about a mile or so away
Yeah.
that way, and I'm just walking around.
We've had this house built in '66.
Oh,
We just said, the hell with it, I'm moving. Every time we went to look at something, they all jumped in price about twice.
exactly,
We had 30
exactly.
by 30 on the back, and then we're staying the rest of our life. So
Yeah, this is a great
next
spot.
Tuesday will be 59 years.
Ooh, congratulations. That is
Right here.
wonderful.
Yeah,
That is
this
wonderful.
young lady gave me 58 of the best years I've ever had.
Oh, well, how many
I
kids
think I'm
did you have?
coming
Did you have kids?
Three
Three
kids,
kids.
3 boys, yeah.
And a lot of grandkids?
And a lot of, things were different back then. The drugs were coming in, marijuana mostly, type of things, but
Yeah.
other than that, it was quite different. And then we always wanted to have a daughter, but I don't know if I'd want to raise a daughter in this environment now.
It's tough.
It is, yeah.
Everything is tough right now, and a lot of, kids face a lot of things that we didn't have to face.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
for sure.
they don't have faces. It could change any minute.
It's scary. It's
It
all
is.
of the vintage things. Anything with nostalgia is becoming very important to hold on to because everything's changing so
the neighbor
fast.
gal behind us that used to watch our kids now and then. She was this much taller than them, so but only about a couple of years. She got murdered.
Oh,
On her way to school, she'd take it. I would see her and I'd pick her up.
it's a dangerous
But
world.
she'd leave it at 6 o'clock in the morning during the winter. It's dark as hell. And then she took, I don't know, the one that goes by the little church up there, down that road. Well, there was nobody there. And some guy's been sort of stalking her, stopped her and that, and didn't like what she said and stabbed her.
Oh,
They found her, but and her dad found her.
oh,
We
that's
looked
tough. That is tough.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, because that's what's important. That's really what's important is who we love.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with anything else. It's like, who do we love?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Well, thank you. Have a very good day, Donna and Tom. Nice to
All right,
meet
yes.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, we wore the black top out.
Well,
somebody else
good.
can use it now.
Well, it's wonderful to speak with you. Thank you.
We're born to that smile.
I've been a gypsy my whole life and moving, and I do meet very interesting people and hear interesting stories, and I love it, and I am grateful for it. I
they
certainly
always said
wouldn't
that-
want to wear out my welcome either.
They
So,
all said that
but
her
I
and I could write a
certainly,
book, but they'd think it was.
yes.
They would think it was fiction. We lost a son at 43 years old. He committed suicide. But we knew it. We knew it was going to happen because he was bipolar really bad, real bad. And the doctor said, it's just going to get worse. That's all there is to it. It's just going to get worse. But
takes
probably
away
one of
all
the
the
nicest
hope.
kids you could ever want to meet. But that's what
Yes.
happens, you know.
I've lost 2 sisters to suicide and 2 daughters myself, and it is
that's
tough.
Thank you.
And
Yeah.
it is tough.
Punch in the nose.
It is a big punch in the nose, and
Yeah.
it's they're suffering greatly. My
Thank
my
God she
family's
had.
suffering.
We're with Kaiser. We were there with Group Health
Yes.
before, and there was a guy up there. He had her about 3 or 4 days. Had her write him a letter during the week. Bring the letter up and read it to him. And the 4th time, he says, "Do you have any other problems? Because you've looked this one already." Four sessions with him. It was just he acted like an average person. He was just a counselor. It was fantastic.
It's tough to
Yeah,
get in
it
there.
is.
It's tough because what
Yeah,
happens
you
is
just gotta stay that way.
the sufferer is so sad and feels so deeply.
Yeah, well, you never
And
get
it's-
rid of it. That's the problem.
I know,
You always
that's-
feel bad.
Well, exactly, but how do you turn that around? Because it can be turned around, because there is joy in the world too.
Oh, yeah.
But when someone's down on their lowest depths,
And she's your family.
and and you love them so much, and they have the power to say bye or not. That's up to them. It's up to me if I want to do it. It's up to each of us.
I told a lot of the people I meet
Yes.
that, and they stop and talk. I had my own business for 50 years, so it was all, it was custom cabinets and designing interiors of houses. And I talk to women all the time. They go, how come you talk to women so easy? They're
That's
just
a
normal.
respect.
They're
You're
normal.
respectful.
They-
And so respectful people will reply with
And
respect, and you're comfortable with that.
I
Yes.
know a lot of funny things, and I'll just say little funny things to them. Put a smile on their face, you know. The last time I told her, she was a little upset. A couple of gals that Fred Myers there that work at the station there where I turn things in. I had to turn 3 or 4 things in, and I don't know, they must be 40 years old or something like that, and they know how old I am. So I walked up there. I've always saying some little thing. And I walked up and I says, if I was 40 years younger, and the blonde gal was standing there, and she looked over like, okay, what's she gonna say?
Someone's in trouble.
Yeah, you know what I did? I turned around and walked away. 40. That's what I did. I'd be 40, and they just cracked because they did not know.
Take care of your teeth.
That's
Really
yes.
take care of your teeth. They
Thank
just
you.
stand there and they get to fall off.
Yeah,
Well,
right.
my mom's been dealing with that recently, and it's tough. It's really tough.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And just-
I've been doing my best.
Just started bipolar to dementia, and I have 24/7 care of her, on the thing, and so I'm learning things that I've never. I just told her that my mother died at 43 with our 42 with cancer. Her son died at 43. Her sister died at 37
Ooh,
with cancer. 2 of them died with cancer. Now we know what that cancer does to you.
That
It
is
eats-
not
it
a
eats you-
fun thing to
it
die
eats you
from.
alive.
yeah.
I said, this is something we can't do. All we do is deal with it because we can't do anything about it.
Right.
What's
Well,
going
because
on
we
now?
all die.
Yeah,
For sure. How are we going to die? Just from old age, or a car accident, or?
Well, when am I
Yeah, there's a million
supposed
ways.
to die? And like the doctor says, when it's your turn.
Exactly.
It's just a simple answer. You know?
God knows,
And that's what I keep telling her.
Yeah.
I have to remind her. Oh, you're going to dump me? Why? I've been married to you. Tuesday will be 59 years.
Oh, well, what?
I
So,
just-
are you having a big party?
Yeah.
I doubt it.
I don't
Well,
like big parties. Big parties come up and then all of a
We
sudden.
are doers.
sick all over
We
again.
are doers
Yeah,
for
you
people.
just-
We
it
don't
just
we
rotates
basically
around.
are not receivers.
well, you gotta do for each other because
Yeah,
you
that's
love
what
each
we do.
other.
Well,
At
yeah.
least a
We
dinner
go for
together.
dinner.
I'm sure you do that.
We went up to Lake
Big
Louise.
hugs.
Lake Louise on her
The dip is
50th.
good.
Yes.
My daughter-in-law, who is very intelligent, she said, "Oh, 50, isn't that sort of a special one?" No, not really. No, never said a word, anything about it. Oh,
Okay.
isn't that a special one? I mean, she is so smart. She
Well, it
knows all
is very
about
special to meet both of you.
Yeah.
So thank you. Thank you.
And if I hug you, she won't.
They're off the road.
I will.
me out of the
Yes, thank
house.
you. I'm very careful on this road, and I meet super awesome people too. Nice
Yeah,
to meet you,
of
Donna.
We're
Yes.
related.
Yes, we're all human,
Yeah.
and we're all from heaven, and we're all going back there.
Yeah.
Yes. Well,
I wonder if they have more room.
there's plenty of room.
Yeah, there's got to be.
There's plenty.
It's big up there.
It is. It is.
All righty.
Take care. Take care. He's doing a great job.
Yeah, I gotta go check. See, get him to do some down the easement. We give them an easement to get houses down there.
Oh, very good. And then you got the young man cleaning the gutters. Who's that?
His dad.
His dad. Well, good job.
And then I went and got, they had some silver stuff. I went and looked for the silver stuff. It was
Okay, well, I better go. I think.
$60 a big can. I got it for $4 or $14.99 a can. So it cost me another 600 and something. It cost me 100
Oh
and
my
something.
gosh. What were you going to say, Donna? Were you. What is all this
Isn't that
down here?
cool? Somebody
Yes.
did that,
What did it?
and we'll never know.
A hummingbird, maybe? Or, I mean, woodpecker?
We got crows.
I'm
Oh.
sinking.
Around. So many crows around
Oh my
here,
gosh, you're
and I
sinking.
feed them.
Oh.
Don't go back up.
The people used to park on here.
Okay.
We'd fill it all in level, and they'd park on here, and it would
Wow.
crash it down.
Well, there's silly little
So
birds.
I seen tire tracks coming on here, and
Yeah.
then back up. See, here's the flattest part of the bunk. So now
Oh.
I got all these big rocks go up there.
Yeah.
They're not gonna drive now and ruin their car.
Well, In-N-Out Burger has super good burgers. Well, okay, I'm gonna get
All
going.
right, yeah.
Take care, you
Yeah, you got a
guys.
couple
Thanks
miles
for
to go
talking.
yet.
Yes. All right, that was great. Meeting Donna and Tom. Getting closer to the lake over there. I just have a couple more of these hairy corners to turn with no sidewalk. Oh boy. It is a busy Saturday, so we'll see. I'm almost through the really tough part with no sidewalk. I don't think anyone else is coming right now. Let's see. Definitely a little doggy. He's barking about something, talking. Okay, well, this is probably the worst corner here. Well, maybe there's several worse ones. Oh. And I cannot hear if someone's coming, so I'm going to go a little faster. Just a little faster. Da, 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 da. Okay. Just in time. And you see, I'm almost at the sidewalk now. All right, it's like the clown mirror. Hey, everybody. Hi. Woo. Yep. Going over to the lake. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's pretty good. How good it works on the cars as they're going by. Oh, pretty neat. Oh, there is an alarm going off at someone's house. Maybe it's a fire alarm. I suppose it could also be a car alarm, but I mean, that doesn't sound like any car alarm I've heard before. Okay, we got another hairy corner here, or the spot. It's not really a corner anymore. Thank you. And it's pretty scary. You can walk on this little trail right here, but then you have the option of falling off the little cliff down to the neighbor's houses down there, which is kind of, I don't think I really like it. And the weeds, they touch your skin, and, you know, they can make you itch if you go through it, so luckily people are usually friendly enough to scoot their cars over, and you don't really have to worry about it. And it's good that because there's a family behind me with 3 little girls, a dad and 3 little girls, and so to see me first is probably better, and then they'll be expecting other little kids out there and stuff, and move their cars aside accordingly. And I've made it to the park. Made it to the park, and people recognize me with my cat ears on, because I go for a walk just about every day. And definitely come to Martha Lake, Washington. It's got a great little park. And it is warm, so people are going to be swimming. Swimming and having fun. And riding bikes and bringing their puppy dogs out and enjoying a bunch of sunshine.
Oh yeah, but now I can point out what I mean.
It looks like swimming, inner tubing. There's probably a bunch of fishing happening. And I mean, this is so great because we finally get a great day. Oh, I think there's the Rottweiler over there that wanted to kiss me in the face. I think that's him. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, that's a different dog. But there are definitely tons of folks here. It looks like, group graduation parties and picnics. Oh, little kid is swimming over there. Oh, man. It's got to be freezing. I could not. Not hot enough for me to get in the water. When I was a kid, yes. But when I'm older, no. So this is a lovely park to walk in the sun or in the rain. And we've got pretty good, I think it's a fabulous area we live in, neighborhood, and the people are very friendly. We've got very good people to associate with. Okay, we got oh, look at that cute little doggy right there. Oh man, that looks freezing. I don't know if I want to touch the water and see how cold it is, but it looks very cold. When kids are barely under the water, then it's got to be freezing. Yes. Oh, he sees fish. Well, let's take a look over here and see. I'm going to come take a look over here. Oh, the paddle boards. Those always look fun. Okay, so we got folks everywhere.
later.
Oh, I do see some little fish in there. Oh, I think they might be jumping in the water. Oh, there goes one into the water.
Warm on my
Oh. I think it's going to get very busy. There's lots of families out here. Yay! Oh, that's cool. It looks like... Oh, okay. I thought the one lady was pulling the... She's got like a rope attached to the paddleboard. But maybe that's so you don't lose it, or maybe it's a blow up. I don't really know how paddleboards work. Oh, he's got the same little attachment rope thing. Oh, wow. It looks very relaxing and fun. Look at we got the kayakers and the kids swimming. Oh, I think he's going to go off with the... Oh, she's brave too. There she goes. Yay! Da, 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 da. Well, this is what a totally awesome Saturday in Washington looks like when the sun comes out. Alright, well, I'm going to go this way now.
Oh, so slimy. This is so slippery. It's sliding.
Oh, it's slippery down there in the walkway.
Shoot that fish. Oh no, I like it simple.
Oh my gosh.
Yay! Well, I sure love to see everybody having fun at the park, that's for sure. Okay, so they're blowing up their paddleboard. Oh my goodness, they've got like a flamingo or a little princess blow up thing, and then we got some folks putting tents up. Something else is blowing. I was wondering what that is. It's got to be a flamingo. Birthday parties and graduations. Oh, it's a boy celebrating a brand new baby boy. Oh, congratulations. Wonderful. Let me see if I can get these balloons before they pop. You're welcome. Good luck. Well, one did a pop and I missed it on the video, but it definitely was a scary little pop there. Not scary, but surprising. Okay, Okay, what are other people doing on Saturday? Not that I'm worried about it or anything, but lots of folks are going to be going to Goodwill and dropping off a bunch of their stuff that they don't need, want, or have any use of anymore. So we got the Goodwill place right over there. They are always busy, but once the truck is full, oh, they got 2 trucks today. That's good. 2 trucks is better than no trucks. Yeah. So this is the busy street that sometimes I'll walk down, and I go into the city. Well, the town center. It's not really a city, just a little town center. Let's see. Looking through the glass. And oh, and it looks like a few people are getting their oil changed today. That's always a good job to get done on Saturday. So when I was younger, we had a song to get everybody motivated about church. Saturday is a special day. It's the day you get ready for Sunday. You wash your clothes and you do your jobs. And everybody gets ready for Sunday. So that was, those are not the exact words. It's been quite a long time since I sang that song. In the old primary days. Saturday is a special day. And I'm not going to wait for the button. So I'm not breaking the rules, but I kind of am. Because usually if you don't get the button when it first turns green, then you're out of luck and you still have to wait for the light to change. And this is the longest light in town. So chances are you're not going to have to, you'll have to wait if you stand, push the button. And I mean, I could, and a lot of times I do. But, it's Saturday, and I'm having a good day so far. The sky is pretty darn clear. I can see way down the hill over there across the way and see the mountains. I'm not sure what the mountains they are. Cascades, maybe? Yeah, they're way in the back over there. Well, it sure has been a good day, and I'm going to sign off now. So everybody have a great Saturday, and, do what you're going to do. Look at that guy riding on a skateboard and doing a good job. Oh, good one. Okay. Aloha from Washington. Bye-bye.